We decided many years ago to take part in the fair, but unfortunately, due to the COVID, let's say, situation, we could not. So you were very kind to come to Germany and invite us again to take part in this show, and we were happy to do it. It was basically delayed by 2 years, our participation, but it was not up to us or up to you. It was due to the general sad situation in the world. So far so good. You had some good contacts from the fair. We decided to take part in this fair because we think that Turkey is a growing market, especially for our products, and we see a lot of opportunities in this market. That's why we decided to be here in that fair. We are currently looking for a possible distributor in the market, so we have again good contacts. So after the fair, I will develop those contacts and see if what seems to be good now will be confirmed in the next future. So at the moment, I'm happy. Why not? We can evaluate it with our management, and possibly if we have some good result after the fair, we will take part in it again, for sure.